today. Bird horror. It used to be a mod game. It was like a mod watch, but not anymore. What the? I hate this. Well, I'm gonna have to restart my game. I'm gonna have to restart my game. Yes, it works. Why do I have this ugly face? Only up. If the owner of this game is watching this, send me the fingerprint badge and the mod menu. These are all the old ones. Just PBV. PBBV. It's PBBV. What's this deep? One of the double walls are missing. Let's go to city. What's that thing? There's a monster here, bro. Do you think I should go? No. There's a monster in city. Why does bro even have no face? Let's go check him afterwards. Oops. What monster is that? That looks really ugly. Why's the leaderboard not tilted? There's only one monster mountains. I might get jump scared by the monsters, the one in Kenyans. Wait, let's see if the siren is tilted. There's the siren. What the heck? I'm not sure how cute the jump scare is. Hey, monkey. So that's the end of the video. If you like this video, where's the camera? Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.